Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the all-new 2026 Kia EV9. Kia's bold, fully electric three-row SUV that blends futuristic design, advanced technology, and family-oriented practicality into one remarkable package. For 2026, the EV9 builds upon Kia's innovative eGMP platform, maintaining its spacious, boxy silhouette while introducing key updates, a new GT performance trim boasting over 500 horsepower, an elegant Nightfall edition with blacked out accents, and the integration of the NACS charging port for access to Tesla's supercharger network. The 2026 Kia EV9 is set for release in late 2025 and cements Kia's position as a leader in the three-row electric SUV segment. It targets families seeking premium space, solid range, and advanced technology at a price that undercuts many luxury competitors. Pricing starts around $56,395 for the light RWD trim and rises to mid-$70,000s for the Land and GT line models. Options like the dual motor setup, larger battery, and premium packages add performance and luxury without breaking the bank. Beneath its modern skin, the EV9 offers versatility. A single motor rear-wheel drive setup producing around 215 horsepower, dual motor all-wheel drive models delivering up to 379 horsepower, and the range-topping GT with an estimated 501 horsepower and a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint of about 4.3 seconds, making it one of the quickest three-row EVs on the market. Despite being electric, the EV9 retains true SUV utility with a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds when properly equipped. Fold the rear seats flat and you get nearly 82 cubic feet of cargo space, perfect for road trips and active families. Range and efficiency are equally impressive. The long-range RWD model can travel up to 304 miles on a charge, and its 800-volt architecture allows DC fast charging from 10 to 80% in roughly 24 minutes, or adding 100 miles in just 13 minutes. Step inside and you'll find a refined, eco-conscious interior with sustainable materials, ambient lighting, and available second-row captain's chairs. Its flat floor and massive panoramic roof create a spacious air cabin perfect for long journeys. The EV9's dashboard houses dual 12.3-inch displays seamlessly blended with the smaller 5-inch climate screen. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto over-the-air updates and Kia's digital key so you can unlock and start the SUV with your smartphone. Safety remains a top priority with Kia's DriveWise suite, including forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot view monitor, highway driving assist 2, and smart cruise control. Warranty coverage is among the best in class, 5 years or 60,000 miles basic, and 10 years or 100,000 miles on the EV battery and powertrain. Thanks for joining this review of the 2026 Kia EV9. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more EV reviews, and ring the bell to stay updated. Until next time, drive clean, drive smart, and I'll see you in the next one.